Welcome back. Today we are unboxing Whirlpool top load washing machine. Capacity 7.5 kg, 360 watt, automatic top load washing machine. Whirlpool 7.5 kg top load automatic washing machine. Sixth sense, power on button, programs, start, pause button, soak, wash, rinse, dry, child lock, water level, delay, hard water wash. Ten-year warranty on motor and mower, 360 watt powerful motor, 5-star rating washing machine. On the top side we can see the glass finish and the good design. Inside we can see a water inlet pipe, user manual. Go through the user manual before the use. Detergent, stainless steel body, on both sides we can see the hand clip to lift the washing machine. On the back side we can see the water input. Water inlet pipe, power plug, water outlet or draining pipe. On the back side we can see a plastic body. On front and the side we can see the metal body.